viewers, my name is Arole, and today we are as usual on YTV. We're talking about how do you cope with a snoring partner. If your partner snores, how do you cope? Will you run away? We're on the street of YTV. Check it out, what people say about it.
Left alone for me, I can't break up because it's just you've seen her before you do such. Before you just you have something intimate with that person. So you just have to be to do with what you want and how you cope with it. That's just it.
I'll leave his house. That is it. I'll leave his house now. I'll try to correct him, and if I see that there's no change in him, I'll stop. I'll leave him.
I think the idea is you pretend that the snore is like, I don't know, like normal background sound. You will find a way to cope, obviously, if you like the person. I mean, it's just for a night. You won't die. Have you?
I can't cope with such a person that snores always, even when she's not sleeping. No, it's I will leave and go.
I'll purchase a very big headset to cover my ears, so whenever she's snoring, I just put it on and play loud music so I won't hear what she's saying.
I'm not going to leave the house. I'm just going to look for some things that will make him stop snoring. They have some drugs now that can subdue it. So I'm not going to leave the house. He's my husband. I love him. So I will try and make him stop it one way or the other.
If I have a partner that snore, it will not be so good to me. It will look horrible. I think what I would do is that maybe I will give the person a chance, or maybe I'll find myself in other side and leave the person, leave the house for the person.
Thank you, viewers. It was nice listening to opinion of people on having a snoring partner. My name is Arole of God, Arole of Comedy. So if you have a partner that you know what to do about it. Thank you. Catch ya, YTV.